Welcome to Media Britonics, and thank you for being here today. In this video, we are going to talk about the role of a virtual assistant and how this type of work can be built step by step. A virtual assistant is someone who supports businesses from a remote location using digital tools. This work has grown because many entrepreneurs prefer flexible and online support. You do not need a large office to begin this journey. What you need most is commitment, clear communication, and basic digital skills. By the end of this tutorial, you will clearly understand how this field works. A virtual assistant, often called AVA, provides administrative, technical, or creative help to business owners. These services are delivered online through email, chat platforms, and project tools. Many small businesses depend on virtual assistants to save time and manage daily tasks. This role allows businesses to focus on growth while routine work is handled remotely. A VA can work with one client or several clients at the same time. The work schedule can be flexible depending on the agreement. This makes it attractive for people who want location freedom. Administrative services are the most common tasks offered by virtual assistants. These include email management, calendar scheduling, and data entry work. Many business owners struggle to manage inbox messages every day. A virtual assistant helps organize emails and respond professionally. Scheduling meetings and managing appointments is another key task. These duties require attention to detail and good organization. Strong written communication is very important in this area. Technical support services require a bit more digital knowledge. These tasks can include managing websites, uploading content, or handling basic customer support systems. Some virtual assistants work with online stores and manage product listings. Others help with simple software tools used by businesses. You do not need to be a developer to start with technical support. Learning common platforms can make you more valuable. Continuous learning is important in this area. Creative services are also in high demand for virtual assistants. This includes writing content, designing simple graphics, or managing social media pages. Many small brands need help creating posts and engaging with their audience. Creativity combined with consistency is key for these tasks. You can use simple design tools to get started. Writing clear and friendly content helps businesses connect with customers. Over time, your creative style becomes a strength. To begin as a virtual assistant, you first need to identify your skills. Think about tasks you already do well in your daily life. Organization, writing, and communication are strong starting points. You can improve these skills with online learning resources. Practice using common tools such as email platforms and document editors. Confidence grows as you practice regularly. Skill clarity helps you choose the right services to offer. Setting up a professional work environment is very important. You need a reliable internet connection and a quiet space. A computer with updated software will make work easier. Use a professional email address for communication. Keep your workspace organized to stay productive. A calm work environment improves focus. This setup builds trust with clients. Time management is a key skill for every virtual assistant. Clients expect tasks to be completed on time. Use simple planning tools to organize your daily work. Break large tasks into smaller steps. Set realistic deadlines and stick to them. Clear scheduling reduces stress and mistakes. Good time management builds a strong reputation. Communication is the foundation of remote work. Always respond to messages clearly and politely. Ask questions when instructions are not clear. Provide updates so clients know the progress of tasks. Written communication should be professional and friendly. Listening carefully helps avoid misunderstandings. Managing multiple clients requires organization. Keep separate folders and notes for each client. Track tasks and deadlines carefully. Avoid overbooking your schedule. Quality work is better than too much work. Balance helps maintain consistent performance. Organization protects your reputation. Confidentiality is very important in virtual assistant work. Clients may share sensitive business information. Always respect privacy and data security. Use strong passwords and secure tools. Never share client information without permission. Trust is built through responsibility. Professional ethics matter greatly. Learning never stops in this field. New tools and platforms appear often. Stay updated by reading and practicing. Improving skills increases your value over time. Small improvements make a big difference. Growth leads to better opportunities. Curiosity keeps your work fresh. Building long-term relationships with clients is valuable. Be reliable and consistent in your work. Deliver tasks with care and attention. Show interest in the client's business goals. Long-term clients provide stability. Strong relationships reduce the need to search constantly. Loyalty benefits both sides. Handling feedback professionally helps you improve. Listen carefully to suggestions from clients. Do not take feedback personally. Use it as a chance to grow. Adjust your work based on clear guidance. Improvement builds confidence. Positive attitude matters. Organization tools can help simplify your workflow. Task lists and calendars keep work on track. Document storage tools help avoid confusion. Use tools that are simple and reliable. Do not overcomplicate your system. Simplicity saves time. Efficiency improves results. Balancing work and personal life is important. Remote work can blur boundaries. Set clear working hours for yourself. Take breaks to avoid burnout. Healthy balance improves focus and creativity. Rest supports long-term success. Care for yourself as you work. As you gain experience, you may choose a niche. Specializing in one area can increase demand. Clients often prefer focused expertise. Choose a niche that matches your strengths. This helps you stand out. Clear direction supports growth. Specialization brings clarity. Virtual assistant work offers flexibility and opportunity. With dedication, it can become a stable career. Start small and grow steadily. Focus on quality and professionalism. Trust takes time but lasts long. Your skills are valuable. Growth comes with patience. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to this channel and like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comment section.